How to use the Midjourney Video Generator to create videos from a single line of text, and the top 4 ways to make money with AI videos. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here, and today I want to show you this awesome new tool that uses Midjourney to create videos from a single sentence. All you have to do is enter your idea into this box and click generate, and this tool is going to create a video exactly like this. Check this out.
Welcome to the future of content creation, a robot that creates irresistible marketing videos with one click. Watch how seamlessly it integrates AI technology to generate unique and compelling narratives. With just one click, this robot transforms your marketing strategy into a visually stunning video. It's not just about creation, it's about captivating your audience with high-quality content. The perfect blend of creativity and technology designed to capture and keep your audience's attention. Forget about long hours of editing. Let the robot do it for you. Experience the revolution in content creation where AI meets creativity. Say hello to hassle-free marketing videos where a robot does all the work with just one click.
So what you just witnessed was the latest in AI video creation technology. These are all original images created by Midjourney and ChatGPT working together to create a powerful video that expresses your idea. Now, these are all never before seen images, and what's cool about this is not only the quality of the AI voices that come here, but you can actually click this advanced option settings, insert your 11 Labs API key, and clone your own voice into this AI. So you can have your own AI voice that sounds just as good as this one read your text, and obviously there are captions put into the video, so this is all done for you from a single line of text. Now, another cool thing about this tool is you do not even need a Midjourney subscription to use it. If you head to One Click Vids right now, you can actually get access to this tool for just $1. Now, I don't know how long that's going to last. It's not my tool. I didn't create it. I'm just showing it to you here. But if you head to oneclickvids.com right now, you can actually get a free training that shows you the easiest way to earn $1,000 daily using this AI video and AI voice cloning tool. So like I said, you'll also get access to this tool for just $1, so you can literally log in, type your idea, and start creating AI videos right now today. So what I want to show you is a quick summary of the top 4 ways that I've found to make money with AI videos. So before we go any further, comment yes if you would create AI videos for money. If you would actually type a sentence, click a button, and create videos, and then use those videos to make money. So obviously the first step, if you want to do this, is to grab the tool for $1 from oneclickvids.com. So here are some options after that. The first option is to post a gig on Fiverr or Upwork. So if we come over here to Fiverr, I've typed in create short video here, and you can see that there are people selling gigs offering to create videos or even whole channels of videos from anywhere from 40 or 50 bucks, 95 bucks. Some people charge a few $100s. So it's really up to you how much you want to charge, because a bot is doing the work. So you could literally do a dozen of these a day. Look, here's someone charging $300 to create a professional short business video. So I just showed you how to use a bot to do that in a matter of seconds. So that's the first option. Option 2 is to set up a website and promote your own services. So here's an example of that. This is my B2B website, AIactionplan.com. So I sell a little more than just video services here. What I offer is to actually automate the lead getting and sales closing for digital marketing agencies. So obviously that's a lot of work. You're going to have to actually go out and talk to customers and close sales, and then you're actually going to have to do a bunch of work for people. So that's another option, but obviously using an AI video generator can really speed up and automate that process for you. So the third option is actually my favorite, which is promoting other people's products as an affiliate. And all that means is you are like a commission-only salesperson. So here's an example of that. This is one of the many affiliate offers I promote here. And basically, the more clicks you get on your affiliate link, the more people who are likely to buy the product and earning you more commission. So you could see this affiliate program's earned me $8,868 so far, and like I said, I promote dozens of them. So that's by far my favorite way. And there is one other way. The easiest way is to just clone all of my automations with one click and earn commissions for doing nothing. So I'll show you a little bit more about that, how that works. This is how my automations work. So this is the process I've been telling you about. Over here I have a chain of videos, so let's assume we use this tool to create one video a day, which I just showed you how fast it takes. You type one sentence, so you could do that in less than 5 minutes, less than 1 minute technically. But let's say you create one video a day, it takes you 5 minutes. Well, what most people do is just send the traffic straight to the affiliate link. But the problem with that is most of the traffic bounces. They go, they look at the link, and then they leave, and they don't buy the product. So what I do is use automation to prevent that from happening. I use these videos. Sometimes I use AI to create these videos. Sometimes I create them myself. But I use these short videos, and then I send the traffic to a landing page that gives away a free product. And every day I upload one of these videos that sends hundreds or sometimes thousands of people to this free product. And then what happens is AI automations created by ChatGPT. These are all messages, emails written by ChatGPT, then go out to this person on a daily basis. So they watch the video, they opt in for the free thing, and then they get sent over to my affiliate link. But then if they bounce, well, that's no big deal, because the next day they get an email from me reminding them to come back and check out this link. And then if they bounce again, well, that's okay, because the next day here comes another email bringing them right back to this link. So the easiest way to start making money with AI videos is to just clone all of my automations with one click and earn commissions for doing nothing. And you can do that at AIcashplan.com. So basically what I want to do is make your first dollar online for you by setting up 100% done for you viral content created and uploaded to your account daily to generate traffic. So basically this is an automation that takes my videos, uploads them to your account so that you start accumulating views and followers on your account. And then I'm also going to give you a 100% done for you clone of my website that sells my $1 content package, and I'm going to put that on a custom domain. So this is a custom website just for you that my videos will be promoting to make you money. So then of course once people opt into that website, they're going to get my 30-day follow-up sequence to literally sell this system for you, and you will earn 40% commissions of any sales made through your link. And think about it, you didn't have to do anything. The content is created for you, it's uploaded for you, the website and affiliate link is created and set up for you, the automations are done for you. So basically my automations equal your profits. So I can only do this for a limited amount of people, and there are people ahead of you in line already. So if this is something you want done, don't wait, because both the price and the waiting period to have this set up will increase soon without notice. Currently, it takes about 7 days to get this set up for new clients, and the longer you wait, the longer it's going to take. So if this all seems a little bit over your head, but you know that AI video is something you want to get in on, you don't want to miss the boat on the massive opportunity that it presents, then you know what to do. Head to AIcashplan.com and let my automations make sales for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, click the red subscribe button down below so you see my content about AI and automation in the future. If you want to see that content right away, be sure to click the bell icon so that you get notifications. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a bunch of money online using AI, and I will catch you in the next AI and automation video.